Have you ever dreamed of waking up without an alarm clock, working from anywhere in the world, and being the boss of your own time? That's the power of freelancing. In today's world, the rules have changed. The old idea of success, going to college, getting a 9-to-5 job, and waiting decades for freedom, is no longer the only path. Now, freedom can start with a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and a skill you decide to master. Freelancing isn't just about working online. It's about taking control of your life. It's about building something that belongs to you, your time, your income, your future. You don't need permission. You don't need a boss. You just need the courage to start. Because in 2026 and beyond, the world will belong to those who create their own opportunities. And the question is, will you be one of them? The world is changing. Faster than we can even comprehend. Technology is rewriting the rules of work, AI is replacing tasks, automation is reshaping industries, and the old idea of a stable job, the safe path, is slowly disappearing. What was once considered security, is now an illusion. If you still depend on one source of income, one paycheck, one employer, then you are standing on thin ice. Because the world no longer rewards stability, it rewards adaptability. It rewards creativity, courage, and skill. 2026 is not the time to play it safe, it's the time to evolve. To build your own path. To create your own income. To take control of your financial destiny. Freelancing isn't just a side hustle anymore. It's a revolution. A movement of people who refuse to wait for permission to live life on their own terms. People who don't need a boss to tell them when to wake up, when to eat, or how much they deserve to earn. Because the truth is simple, if you don't build your dream, someone will hire you to build theirs. We live in an era where freedom is available to anyone who dares to take it. You can build an entire career from your laptop. You can serve clients across the globe without ever leaving your home. You can earn in dollars, euros, or crypto, all while sitting in your favorite coffee shop. The barriers are gone. The only thing standing between you and success is action. By 2026, more than half of the world's work will be done by freelancers. Businesses no longer want employees, they want results. They want specialists who deliver. That's the new economy. And in this economy, your most valuable currency is your skill. Not your degree. Not your title. Your skill, and your ability to deliver value. Freelancing is the ultimate form of ownership. You own your time. You own your effort. You own your income. You own your future. In a traditional job, you trade time for money. You give hours of your life to build someone else's dream, and in return, you get just enough to survive. But in freelancing, you trade your value for money. You are rewarded for what you can produce, not how long you sit in an office. The harder you work, the smarter you get, the more you earn. There is no ceiling, no limit, no boss holding you back, only your mindset. But let's be clear, freelancing is not easy. It's not a shortcut to instant wealth. It's a test of character. You'll face uncertainty. Some months will be slow. Some clients will disappear. You'll doubt yourself. You'll question whether you made the right choice. But remember this, every freelancer who succeeded went through that same storm, and they came out stronger, smarter, and freer. Discipline is your greatest weapon. Motivation will fade. Excitement will die. But discipline, the habit of showing up every day even when you don't feel like it, that's what builds your freedom. You want freedom? Then stop asking for it. Start earning it. In 2026, the people who thrive will be those who adapt. Learn skills that matter. Skills that create value in a digital economy. Skills that will never go out of demand. Learn digital marketing, because every company needs visibility. Master content creation, because attention is the new currency. Understand AI and automation tools, because those who use them will replace those who don't. Learn financial literacy, because if you can manage money, you can multiply it. And most importantly, master self-discipline, because it is the foundation of every success story. Freelancing gives you something priceless: control. Control over your schedule, your clients, your earnings, your life. You decide when to work, where to work, and who to work with. You decide your price, your pace, your growth. But with great control comes great responsibility. Freedom requires focus. Freedom requires structure. You are the boss now, and that means you are also the employee. No one will chase you to finish your work. No one will motivate you to get out of bed. That's all on you. So, create structure. Build habits. Wake up early. Plan your day. Deliver excellence. The better your habits, the greater your freedom. The beauty of freelancing is that you can start with nothing. You don't need investors, fancy equipment, or office space. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a skill you're willing to master. Start small. Offer value. Deliver more than what's expected. That's how you build trust. And trust is what builds wealth. Your first client might pay you $20, maybe even $5, but that's not the point. The point is that you started. You took action. You learned. Every small step is a brick in your empire. And soon, those small steps turn into a business that gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Everyone starts somewhere. Everyone begins as a beginner. The only difference between those who succeed and those who don't is persistence. Freelancing teaches you more than how to earn, it teaches you how to think. It teaches you how to solve problems, communicate, and adapt. It turns you from a worker into a creator. You stop asking for opportunities, you start creating them. And once you taste that kind of freedom, you'll never want to go back. Because nothing feels better than waking up every day knowing you are in charge of your own life. Financial freedom isn't about being rich, it's about having control. Control over your time. Control over your choices. Control over your destiny. That's the real wealth. That's what freelancing gives you. So, don't chase money. Chase value. Money will follow. Don't chase comfort. Chase growth. Comfort will follow. Don't chase success. Chase consistency. Success will follow. The world doesn't reward those who wait, it rewards those who act. Start building your freelance career now, not tomorrow. Because tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next year. And before you know it, someone else is living the life you dreamed of, because they took the step you were afraid to take. You have everything you need, the internet, technology, and time. What you need now is commitment. Make a decision today, to learn, to work, to grow, to take charge. Because 2026 won't wait for you. The future belongs to those who move. You can stay where you are, hoping for a raise, waiting for change, or you can become the change. You can either chase comfort or chase freedom, but you can't have both. One path gives you a paycheck. The other gives you purpose. Choose purpose. Choose growth. Choose freedom. This is your time to rise. To build a life that's truly yours. To stop living for weekends and start living for yourself. Freelancing is not just a career, it's a statement. A statement that says, I own my time. I own my skills. I own my future. So, start today. Invest in yourself. Master your craft. And take the first step toward financial freedom through freelancing. Because freedom doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who work for it.